Yes, YouTube members. My name is Kennedy. I'm a software developer with 3 years of experience. I'll be creating content for this YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. I'll be developing websites, specifically the e-commerce websites, using a Python language with a Django REST framework. Django REST framework is a library inside Python where you can build your projects using the templates and you can render them on a web page. So in this video, I will be using text editors such as Atom, VS Code, Bracket. You can have something like any text editor of your choice. But for my purpose, I'll be using Sublime Text because it makes works easy for me. You can use an Internet Explorer like Windows, Microsoft Edge, or you can use Firefox or Chrome. But for development purposes, Chrome is the best. And on top of that, I'll be using Python language, which I will install from python.org. So on my desktop, this is my Windows operating system. I'm running 64-bit. So I'll go back to my desktop and open a Firefox browser. And I will type here python.org. This is where I'm going to download the Python for the production or for the development of my projects. So when you go to downloads, go to download Python, the latest version for Windows. So here you can download 64-bit or 32-bit, but mine is AMD 64-bit exe file. So after downloading this Python, let me open another window so that when this is going to download, you go and search for another text editor, which is called Sublime Text. Yes, like Sublime Text /downloads. So I want to download Sublime Text, which is this link here. After downloading Sublime Text, download for Windows, but if you have Mac or Linux, you can download any of your operating system choice from these options here. Mine is for Windows, so I will download the Windows version. Then after downloading the Sublime Text and the python.org file, I'll go back to my download history and see the workflow of my downloads. So the Sublime Text is complete, and I'll open the folder and just double click, or you can right click and open. But I just double click to open the Sublime Text and just run it. You can add to Explorer context menu so that it can act as a shortcut on your desktop. Then click next, install, next, and it is saying that there's an error. Okay, sorry, there's an application running on my Windows operating system which is Sublime Text, so I'm being told to exit it first, then retry again. So now it is downloading and installing it. After the installation is complete, you can just click on finish. Now my Sublime Text is already downloaded and also installed on my Windows operating system. So Python is still downloading. You can wait for the download to complete, and when the download is complete, you will now come and install it. It is a very small and short step to install Python. It is not so long. After installing those two packages, will be done. And if Python is bringing more issues in installing, I don't think it is very bad for you to go through the download page and see the instructions. You can just go here on the python.org and you can look for the version you want here. Let's say, for example, this one is the latest release. You can download it, and you can look for new features, descriptions, more resources, files. The procedure for installation is very simple. You can just write here on Google how to install Python programming language and type enter. So Python 3 installation and setup guide. So you can just follow the instructions here of how to install Python It's a very easy step. Very easy step. When you've completed downloading and installing Python, we'll exit our window or minimize it. You can just exit it, but let us just minimize so that we cannot cancel the downloads. Then after downloading those two packages, they are the ones we are going to use for the starting point. And maybe if you are running Windows operating system, you can download, let's say, something like Firefox or Chrome. Just go to Chrome, downloads. So this is where we are going to show our production or development project. So just download Chrome, and you can download Chrome here. And if you see on the Chrome setup X file is going to be complete in a short while. Then open the folder, double click to run the setup of Chrome. Yes, initializing. Let's wait for a while so that it can complete downloading and installing that Chrome browser for us, because Chrome is the best for software development. I think those three items we are good to go. First, download Python. Second, Sublime text. Third, Chrome setups. The rest of the things will go by itself in the meantime when we are developing our websites. So with those all three things downloaded and set up, we'll be good to go. So from now on, let's assume this is done. I think the download is very short and clear. Let us wait for it to complete so that we can move ahead. It is taking too long to download and install Chrome. I don't know why. Is my CPU low or what is going on? Let me see the Python, which is going to finish now. 1 minute to finish downloading Python. Not so bad. Let us wait. Now Chrome is complete. Let us open the folder, double click and install. That's all. And as you can see here, it's almost complete. Yeah, I think it's almost complete. I wanted to install it for the second time. Sorry guys. I hope Python is almost complete. I don't know why it is taking too slow. It is taking a lot of time to install. Let us wait just for a minute. Oh, Python is almost complete. Python is almost complete. 9 seconds to finish. It's complete. Now let us go to the download folder. Let us double click on Python MB64-bit operating system. Let's customize installation or upgrade. The reason as to why it is bringing me upgrade now is because I have already installed Python in my operating system. But if you did not download it and install it, it will not show you these two menus. It will just show you how to do what, to install and set up. That's all. But for me, I've downloaded it and I've installed it. So I'll just quit that setup. I'll say cancel. And to cancel, yes. Let us see on the Chrome if Chrome is set and go. I think Chrome is downloaded and installed. So let us check through our program files. So let us type here Chrome. And Chrome is in our PC now. Let us click on it and see if it is really installed or not. Okay, so you must sign in to access those items of the browser, but you cannot sign if you want. You can just skip the signing options. So this is a browser which is called Chrome. Now Chrome is good and up and date, it's running. So let us check for Sublime text, which we downloaded. Sublime is here, and Sublime text is already installed. I think Sublime text is installed. I don't know why it is taking too much time to load. Let us type again Sublime text. This one here. Let us click it and open it and see if it is good. Yeah, it is good. Now I want to check if Python is also installed in my PC. So let us close the Sublime text. Just close everything. Go to this search tab, type CMD, press enter, and here just type Python and see if Python is installed. Good. Now Python is installed.